Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn French today, eating out. And after we've done what we're going to do next stretching, and if you participate in the next stretching, then it's better to always. I'm hungry. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. I'm thirsty. Soif. J'ai soif. J'ai soif. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Pouvez-vous recommander un bon restaurant? Pouvez-vous recommander un bon restaurant? Pouvez-vous recommander un bon restaurant? Are there any inexpensive restaurants around here? Il des restaurants pas très chers près d'ici? Y a-t-il des restaurants pas très chers près d'ici? Près d'ici? Cher près d'ici? Y a-t-il des restaurants pas très chers près d'ici? I'd like to reserve a table for 4. Je voudrais réserver une table pour 4 personnes. Je voudrais réserver une table pour 4 personnes. For 8 o'clock. Could we have a table? Pouvez-vous nous mettre? Could we have a table in the corner? Pouvez-vous nous mettre dans le coin? Could we have a table by the window? Pouvez-vous nous mettre à côté de la fenêtre? À côté de la fenêtre? Fenêtre. Pouvez-vous nous mettre à côté de la fenêtre? Could we have a table outside? Sur la terrasse? Pouvez-vous nous mettre? No, it's not. That's French. It's a Could we have a table outside? Pouvez-vous nous mettre sur la terrasse? No, it's both in French and Italian. Could we have a table in a non-smoking area? Pouvez-vous nous mettre dans un endroit pour les non-fumeurs? Dans un endroit pour les non-fumeurs? Dans un endroit pour les non-fumeurs. Pouvez-vous nous mettre dans un endroit pour les non-fumeurs? Give me, donnez-moi. I'd like, je voudrais. We'd like, nous voudrions. We'd like a beer. Nous voudrions une bière. I think it's actually beer. We'd like 2 white coffees. Nous voudrions 2 crèmes. And 2 cafés au lait. Nous voudrions 2 cafés au lait. 1 black coffee. Un café nature. Nous voudrions un café nature. I can't get it. Un café noir. Nous voudrions un café noir. Un espresso. Un café espresso. A fruit juice. Un jus de fruit. Nous voudrions un jus de fruit. A hamburger. Un hamburger. A toast, cheese and ham sandwich. Un crack musée. Oh, monsieur. En quoi, monsieur? That is how monsieur would be written in English. M-S-Y-E-R. I would read Messiah. But it's monsieur. Monsieur. 1, 2 pancakes. Un crêpe, 2 crêpes. Some chips. De frites. De frites. Okay, that was the French part. If you were here for French, then you can go directly to the next part of French. We will do now the next stretching. If you say and participate in the next stretching, then it's better HIOXRRWY. Good and stable stance, and we're starting with a hydro tower. Breathe in and lift the arms up and reach with the fingertips as far as you can. This is the next stretch exercise. So reach as far as you can. Hang down and keep reaching as far as you can with the fingertips. And let's do it at the same time. Reach as far as you can. And again down, reach as far as you can. And now reach in front as far as you can. And reach up, but not just to the sides, but also back. Reach as far as you can. And the same note. Reach as far as you can down, in front. Up, to the sides and back. And now those have your feet standing together. The arms up to a T. And pretend to fly around like a buzzard dust. And the next exercise, police officer. Breathe in, lift the arms up. And breathe out, open up to the side. Breathe in, lift the arms up. And out, open to the other side. In and up. And out and down. Now have your feet standing shoulder wide apart. Turn up, shoulders back, breathe in. And out, turn the head over to one side. Just as far as it goes, don't force anything, and bring the chin down to the crack. Breathe in. Out, lift the gaze and turn it over to the other side. Breathe again in. Out, chin down to the crack. In, lift the gaze, and turn it again over to the other side. Breathe again in. And breathe halfway out, and then circle over to the other side. Breathe again in. And halfway out, and then circle over to the other side. Like and now we'll fly. Have the palms of the hands together. Bring the elbows together. And breathe in and reach high or go up as far as you can go with moderate effort. And again down. And another time, bring the arms higher. Elbows are staying together. And down. And now hands together. Breathe in. Fall up. And I'll reach in front, bring the shoulders in front, bring the head down, breathe out. And in and up. And I'll reach in front, bring the head down. In and up. And down. And now, the cashew. Have feet stand together, intertwine the fingers behind the back, breathe in, shoulders back, fall up. And I'll bring the head over to one side, have the chin down to the crack. Breathe again in. And out and pull the hands down to the ground. In. Okay. Bring it over to the other side. Breathe again in. And out, chin down to the clavicle. And pull the hands down to the ground. In and back a little bit. Now stretch your fingers, intertwine again the fingers behind the back. And bring them over to one side. Breathe again, tall up, shoulders back. And I'll turn the head to the side of the hands. Breathe again in. And out, chin down to the clavicle. Pull the arm in and the shoulder down. In, lift the gaze and turn it out to the outside. Also the hands are switching now. Breathe again in. And out, chin down to the clavicle. And pull the arm in and the shoulder down. Lift the gaze and turn it back. Now the feet together. Bring one hand behind the back, turn up, and bring one hand up. And bring the head over to the side. Just bring it over, don't pull it. Breathe again in. Look out, look up to the hand on top, to the arm on top. Switching the other arm behind the back, turn up, and arm up, and bring the head over. Just bring it over, don't pull it. Breathe again in. And I'll look up to the head, the arm on top. And again down. Now breathe into the arms up. And breathe out. Draw the shoulder blades together to grab in the morning. In at the arms up. Out again, down, draw the shoulder blades together. In. Hands together and lean back or read in the wind. In into the middle. Out and lean back. Again in. And out over to the other side. In into the middle. And out over to the other side. Into the middle. Intertwine the fingers, reach HIOXRRWY. And breathe out, reach in front of the back with drill. In and up. Change the other crossing. Breathe again in, reach high, screw. And out again, drill. Out of the back, breathe out. In and up. Out, lean back with long arms, sky up. In and up. And out and back. In and up. And out of the arms down. Again in the arms up. Out of the arms down. In the arms up. Out of the arms down. And now, take those collecting instincts, bring the hands together, and the hands slowly down. That was the next stretching. I thank you very much, and until next time.